Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would film my skincare routine. It is pretty affordable right now, so I've switched out all of my Holy Grail high-end products for drugstore products that work just as fine. My skincare routine is very short and there's not that many products because I'm in this broke student phase of my life right now. But it's all good. My skin is still alive. It's still doing pretty good. It is pretty dry though, but the products I'm using work pretty good as well. So I start off with my face wash, which right now I'm using the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. It's for normal to oily skin. So my skin type is combination, but right now it's pretty dry. I'm getting some dry patches in my face, and they do have a hydrating one, but I don't really like creamy face washes, but I did hear that it foams up, so maybe I'll try it, but I kind of stay away from creamy face washes. I really like when they foam up. So this CeraVe is 16 fluid ounces. It doesn't dry out my skin, and it is about $14 at Walmart. And the one I used to use is the one by Philosophy, the Purity Made Simple Cleanser, and the 16 ounce, and that is $36. But I always get the 32 ounce from Sephora, and you could only get that size at Sephora, and that is $55. And I always get the biggest size because that's just the biggest bang for your buck. And I believe that face wash definitely lasts me more than a year. I'm not sure if it lasts me 2 years. 2 years might be a push. Maybe like a year and a half. So that's what I use for my face wash. And then I use this Dickinson hydrating toner. And this is, let me see if I can show y'all. This is $5 from Walmart. Yeah, it's $5 from Walmart. So what I do in the morning, I've transferred some of it into a little spray bottle, and I didn't know that you could spray your toner on your face until I used this Dermalogica one. And I used all this one. I used all the Dermalogica one, but I kept the bottle. And ever since I saw that you could spray your toner on, I do that in the morning, and then at night I'll take the toner with a cotton pad and use that to get any extra makeup or dirt off my skin. I've been using this Neutrogena Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum. This one is about 20 bucks from Ulta and about $2 cheaper at Walmart. And then I use this in combination with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream for extra dry skin. And I went onto a makeup group and I asked them, I was like, look, my face is dry. It's getting dry patches. What can I use? And it's not that expensive. Now this is also $20 from Ulta. But if you buy this when they have their buy one get one half off for the Neutrogena products, it'll save you like $5, so you'll get them for like 15, so it will be like 20 and 10, 30. So and then I'm gonna put this one on. Now this serum actually finished. It finished pretty fast. I'm actually not gonna repurchase it, so I'm just using the Neutrogena hydrating cream right now. It's the hydrating gel cream, and I believe there's also a water gel which is not as hydrating, but this one works good. So that's it. That's all I do with my skincare. Now I used to use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2 serum, and I've been using that since 2013, and honestly I think it works miracles. but that's just me. I really like it. I'll always go back to it. And then in the past year, I've been using the Lancome Energy DV, the overnight recovery sleeping mask, and it's $66. It's 2.6 fluid ounce, and even though it's like a sleeping mask, so you're not really supposed to use it every night, I just use it as my nighttime moisturizer because it's so hydrating, you know. So I feel like it moisturizes my skin and really does what it needs to do while I'm asleep. And that Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex, it's the brown one. That one is $68 for 1 fluid ounce, and the 1.7 fluid ounce is $98. These are really good. I've been using them. I swear by them. So, you know, if you could afford the high-end products, you could definitely use the ones that I used to use. And if you can't and you're on a budget like me, then you could just use these drugstore products and they'll work just fine. For right now, I don't have a daytime moisturizer or a nighttime moisturizer. I'm using the Neutrogena one for both day and night. So I like to switch out my skincare a lot, and I'm always trying new things, and I always buy things, especially when things go on sale, like they get me. So for my daytime moisturizer, like I don't really care what I use on my face because I usually have makeup on, and you know, I just don't really care because I have so much other products on my face. But at night, I really like to use products that work and like expensive products. And when I say expensive products, I mean they really do have good ingredients in there. I'm not a big skincare guru. I'm not gonna get into any specific ingredients or anything like that. I'm just letting y'all know this is what I use, and I like it, and I do think it works. The only thing I've noticed with my skin since I've switched over to Drugstore is that it gets really dry, and I think it's because I'm getting older, and it's probably getting even drier now because we're in winter, and I really just don't like to see those dry patches on my face. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment. Your support means the world to me, and thank you for watching.